Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the G Adventures booking platform. In this video, we're diving deep into the G Adventures booking platform, a popular choice for adventure seekers. You'll find links to their incredible trips in the description below. G Adventures has established itself as a leading provider of small group adventure tours, specializing in immersive and responsible travel experiences that venture off the beaten path. Their target audience includes travelers who appreciate guided tours with a strong emphasis on cultural immersion, sustainable practices, and flexible itineraries. The platform boasts a diverse selection of itineraries spanning all 7 continents, catering to a wide range of travel styles and budgets, from budget-conscious backpackers and comfort-seeking explorers to families and solo adventurers. The booking process itself is remarkably user-friendly. You can easily filter trips based on your desired destination, preferred travel style, trip duration, and activity level. G Adventures offers a variety of travel styles, including their classic trips for balanced experiences, 18 to the 30-somethings, trips designed for younger travelers on a budget, National Geographic journeys for premium experiences, and specialized tours for hiking and adventure enthusiasts. They even offer marine and polar expeditions, ensuring there's a perfect trip for everyone. One of the most compelling aspects of G Adventures is their unwavering commitment to responsible tourism. They actively partner with local communities, utilize small-scale accommodations, and prioritize sustainable travel practices. Their G for Good initiative support local businesses, community tourism projects, and crucial environmental conservation efforts, ensuring that travelers contribute positively to the destinations they visit. The small group sizes, typically ranging from 12 to 16 people, foster a more personal and flexible travel experience. Their local guides, known as Chief Experience Officers, CEOs, offer invaluable insights and ensure travelers enjoy the most authentic experience possible. Another significant advantage is the inclusion of unique experiences in many trips, such as homestays and visits to social enterprises, adding a deeper layer of meaning to the journey. In conclusion, G Adventures is an excellent option for travelers seeking well-organized, immersive, and ethical travel experiences. With flexible travel styles, small groups, and a strong focus on sustainability, it's the ideal choice for anyone looking to explore the world responsibly. If you're ready to book your next adventure, be sure to check the links in the description to explore their diverse offerings.